Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this very milky and tasty chinchin in your home or anywhere. So firstly, I'm going to sieve in 4 cups of flour. Then next, I'm going to add in my sugar. I used 1.5. You can use as more or lower as you want. Then I'm going to add in my nutmeg, my baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The salt is optional. Then next, I'm going to add in my margarine. I'm going to be using this King's margarine for this recipe. You can use butter, just any one of your choice, anyone you can get in your supermarket or anywhere. Then I'll make sure I mix this perfectly to be able to give me like a breadcrumbs texture. Then nextly, I'm going to break in 2 eggs. Please don't break your egg like this. You can elsewhere break it one or in a plate to avoid using spoiled egg. Then nextly, I'm adding my evaporated milk. That evaporated milk is regular one you can get in your market. Regular pig milk or cowbell. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and like. Share to your friends. Help me to grow, please. I'm going to need it for some minutes, let's say 10 minutes or so, or 5 minutes, any of your choice. And I'll be adding in a very little water just so I can add water. It's optional also if you've gotten the consistency you want. Then I'm going to clean up my work surface, then add in some flour, then knead it a little before I precise, so it will be very easy for me to roll and get my perfect shape. Then please don't mind this my cutting. It's you can cut it perfectly. You can I don't have a cutter, so I had to use a knife for this. Then I will cut it into my desired shape, then fry. Then I'm going to fry this in hot oil for like until it's become golden brown or milky brown. It's not a must, it gives the dark brown color, but anyone you want you can do. So this was the end result of the one I fried firstly. I'm going to take it out and fry up my remaining chinches. This was how everything turned out. Some got burnt on the way, but anyway, we moved. It was still very tasty. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.